In the beginning, silence shaped the cosmos,
waiting for the breath of sound to unmute our world. But now dreams can be heard, not just seen. That's right. Create any sound you can imagine. Now with a simple text prompt, you can create high-quality SFX for games, films, and so much more. So try it for yourself. Type in any prompt, hit generate, and let your visuals come to life with sound. ElevenLabs sound effects are here. What will you create?